Hello, my name is Alex. I'm a senior consultant with Analysis Prime. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the automated partial publish feature in Data Actions. This is part of the latest QRC update for Q3 2023. What we'll be covering is how we can configure a data action step and what are the options available to publish data after the data action runs. A little background on this feature upgrade. When we set up a data action planning trigger in a story or configure a data action step in a multi-action, or when we add a data action to be scheduled in the calendar entry, users now have the option to decide how they want to publish the data. You can choose to automatically publish the changes and have the publish fail if there are any restrictions or data locking. Or you can choose to automatically publish the changes and discard any data that is affected by these restrictions. The trigger has been enhanced to include the following three options. Number one is do not publish, wherein the version remains unpublished after the data action runs, and the user has the option to manually publish changes. Number two is publish and fail if there are warnings. In this scenario, the changes are published, but in cases where there are data locks or any restrictions that are applied to the planning region, the publish will fail and the data will remain unpublished. In this scenario as well, the user has the option to publish the changes manually. And number three is publish and ignore warnings. Here, all the changes that are not impacted by data locks or the restrictions on the data are published automatically, whereas any data that is impacted by data locking or restrictions is discarded. This is a snippet of where we can find this functionality. Let us go into the SAC system and see how we can configure this. I am now in the SAC system. As you can see, I have a data action configured here. To add a data action, you can go under Insert, click on the plus icon, Planning Actions, and add a data action trigger. I'll select this data action, go to the Builder panel, and we'll see what are the options we have to configure the data action trigger. So you can see that in this drop down, I have three options here. Do not publish, publish and fail if there are warnings, and publish and ignore warnings. I'll select do not publish initially and see what happens. I'll hit on the play button, run. As you can see, the data action has run successfully, and we can see the changes in data, which is highlighted in yellow, but the data hasn't published. If you go under Tools and hit on this icon, you can see that I have the option to publish data manually, or I can also revert data. I'll revert data for now. In the second option, I have publish and fail if there are any warnings. In this scenario, if there are any data locks or any restrictions to the planning region, the user will be presented with a warning. In this warning, it will be mentioned that there are some restrictions and the user cannot publish data in region where these restrictions apply. So the data action will not publish the changes, and the user can manually go and publish the changes for which they are authorized. And in the third option, which is publish and ignore warnings, after running the data action, the data will be automatically published, and any region which is affected by the data locking or restriction, those data will be ignored and only the data which is applicable will be published. So take this scenario where a user has a security configured where they have access only to the sales org China region, which you can see is highlighted here in black. And the rest of the region, which is in gray, the user doesn't have access to these regions. So if they select the third option, publish and ignore warnings, when they run the data action, data only for China region will be published, whereas it will ignore all the other regions' data. Let's recap on what we have seen. We have seen how we can configure a data action step and what are the options that are available to publish data after running the data action. Thank you for watching.